In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run TikTok ads for Shopify Dropshipping. We'll connect the official TikTok app inside your Shopify admin and walk through launching your first campaign, all from a clean, beginner-friendly workflow. First, open your Shopify admin and head to your store's home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that you have permission to install apps. Having a stable internet connection and a payment method set up in Shopify will also save you time later. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. This is where you manage everything that integrates with your storefront. If you don't see what you need immediately, look for the option to visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type TikTok. You're looking for the official TikTok app provided by TikTok. Check the listing details and ratings to confirm you've got the right one. This app streamlines ad creation and connects your catalog and tracking with a few guided prompts, so it's the easiest place to start. Click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs, things like access to products and orders, so it can sync what's required for advertising. Review the permissions, then confirm the install. Depending on your account, you may be asked to approve standard app charges or accept terms before continuing. Next, log into TikTok from the prompt that appears and begin connecting your account. You'll be guided to create a new campaign. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Choose an objective that matches your goal. Common ones include driving traffic to your product pages or optimizing for conversions. Set your daily or lifetime budget and your schedule. Then define your target audience by location, age range, interests, or behaviors that fit your product niche. When you add your ad creative, use short, vertical videos with an attention-grabbing first 3 seconds, concise captions, and an obvious call to action that points to your Shopify product page. If you're unsure about placements or bidding, the default or automatic options are a safe starting point. Before you publish, double-check your URL, ensure your pricing and shipping details on the landing page are accurate, and preview how the ad looks on mobile. Once the details are filled in and everything looks right, confirm to finish connecting and launch. That's it. You've integrated TikTok with Shopify and set up a campaign ready to bring qualified shoppers to your dropshipping store.